Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find angular velocity. Here's an application question. A typical 24-inch lawnmower blade rotates at a rate of 2,600 revolutions per minute. What is the angular velocity in radians per second of a point on the tip of the blade? We're going to start by writing this angular velocity. Omega equals 2,600 revolutions per minute in fraction form. Our final answer has the units radians per second. Therefore, we are going to convert from revolution to radians. We'll accomplish this by multiplying by the conversion factor. Well, the radians must be in the numerator, so let's write 2 pi radians in the numerator. And we're also going to use the fact that 2 pi radians is equivalent to 1 revolution. Revolution cancel. Next, we're going to convert from minute to seconds. Therefore, we're going to multiply by another conversion factor. In this case, second must be in the denominator, so let's write 60 seconds in the denominator. And we all know that 60 seconds is equivalent to 1 minute. Cancel minute and minute. Using a calculator, we're going to get something like this. But we are not going to keep them all. Because of the rule of significant figures, we are going to use 2 significant figures for our final answer. Here is how we're going to answer the question with a complete sentence. The angular velocity of the point on the tip of the blade is approximately 270 radians per second. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video.